What are we going to do? How are we going to get out of here? Wanda cried. Wanda was not the only one who was worried. We all wondered if there would be 6 of each of us, one for every color in the rainbow, forever. Then Dorothy Ann had a really good idea. If the prism splits white light into colors, what happens when colored light goes back through the prism the way it came in? We decided to give it a try. Fasten your seatbelts, said Arnold. I'm going to hit the flipper and flip you all backward toward the prism. Whoa! Arnold flipped us back into the prism. We went in as 6 different colors and came out the other side as white light. It was amazing. Then Liz drove the bus up and out of the pinball machine. Open the door, Arnold. Coming through, yelled Carlos. Arnold opened the closet door and we flew into the classroom and out the open window. We're out of here! When we were safely outside, the bus changed us back into our normal selves. We ran in to find Miss Frizzle and Mr. Rule. We figured it out, Miss Frizzle, said Carlos. All the colors of the rainbow are hidden in ordinary light. Which means white light is just filled with color, agreed Dorothy Ann. That's where color comes from light. A skeleton has rainbow ribs. Has a rainbow rib cage. Speaking of color and light, Mr. Rule said to Miss Frizzle, did you, make the rainbow? As a matter of fact, I didn't, said Miss Frizzle. Then the pinball machine is mine. All mine, exclaimed Mr. Rule. We were very surprised to learn that it was Mr. Rule who would have gotten the pinball machine if we hadn't made the rainbow. Actually, it isn't yours, said Miss Frizzle. I didn't make the rainbow, but my class did. Are you sure I can't have the machine? Mr. Rule asked. He looked very disappointed. I'm sure, said Miss Frizzle, but you can come here and play it whenever you want. Really? Said Mr. Rule with a smile. Can I play it now? Absolutely, said Miss Frizzle. You look as if you could use a little light entertainment. A blue ribbon field trip. That was so enlightening. Letters to the editor. Dear editor, there's no way you can have a light pinball machine like the one in this book. Light travels way too fast. Yours, Speedy. Dear Speedy, okay. So we stretched the truth a little. We had to slow down the light in our magic pinball machine so the kids could see it move. The editor. Dear editor, I've made a rainbow with my hose, and you can see more than 6 colors, you know. Sincerely, N. Dingo. Dear N. Dingo, you're right. A rainbow contains all the colors from red to violet, but we showed only the 6 that most people see. The editor. Dear editor, me again. You know, you could make a pinball machine using light if you used a laser. Then at least you'd see the beams. Yours, Speedy. Dear Speedy, that's what we'll do next time. The editor. A note from Miss Frizzle.